Okay, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are continuing the work shown in the last two episodes. So previously I showed you the machining process and now we will move on to the next steps. Okay, what you are looking at is the cutter for the blister machine, also known as the crusher. So the worker here is tapping on the upper side where a round cover will be mounted and fixed later on. So see guys, he over here he is tapping. And on another side, as you can see, so they are using a radial arm drilling machine, first to drill holes and now to tap threads into them. These are the side plates that will hold the cutter in place. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as I will be showing you the entire assembly process step by step. So as you can see, the worker is tapping threads into the hard material. Despite the difficulty, he is going it with precision to make the process easier. Another worker is also standing with him. So see guys, to make the process easier, another worker is applying oil into the holes. This lubrication is crucial because the material is very tough and tapping without it could lead to tool breaking. So there are the two identical side plates. This is the first one being tapped. So check in the video guys, the worker is proceeding very carefully because if the tap breaks inside the hole, it's a major task to remove it and restart. So that's why precision and patience are key here. So guys, these workers are highly skilled. They know exactly how to handle hard materials with the right technique. See guys, it is very hard to tap in this material because the material is very hard, but still very carefully the worker is tapping in this hard material. So now he is cleaning the tap with the brush. So he is inserting the tap to another hole. ईद पे कहीं जा रहे हो आप? So once again the worker is putting the oil inside the hole. और इधर ईद इन लोग की लंबी होती है. So now, as you can see, the other worker is start tapping. As I told you earlier, the job is very hard. It requires a lot of power. So the first worker is tired now. So that's why another worker come and he is tapping now. Again they have put the oil, and this is the last hole in which they are tapping. So guys, these are all the parts of the machine. As you can see, these are the plates in which he put the taps, and on other side the worker is drilling in the round plates. He's making a hole in a round plates. So these are the plates that will be fixed with cutter. I will show you each and everything, so make sure you have subscribed this channel. So guys, this is the stand of this machine. So as you can see, he has put an attachment for doing the tapping in this plate. So now he is removing that attachment that he welded as he remove. And this is the second stand. So here we are making the two machines. So now as you can see, he is putting the round plate into this square plate. So these are all the stuff of the machine. Later on it will be fixed. So now they are fixing. So this is all, guys. Make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will upload the rest of the parts very soon. So thank you so much, guys, for watching.